Okay, when you get your camera, you get this waterproof case with it, okay? So if you notice, you've got two controls here, you got one control over here. So to put this into the case, first of all, you've got to open it up. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the one side, you're going to pop it, and it's going to release here like that. If you see, there's a little like spring mechanism in here, and then you got to kind of smush this open. You'll notice that there's a silicone gasket that goes all the way around, and these little things right here kind of smush against the camera itself. All right, so you want your lens at the top. So you're going to grab your camera. You're just going to slide it in lens first, just like that, right? Then you have to close this door, this little door here. So now we've closed it, and there's a little like ledge here. So you've got to get this over that ledge right there, and then you can snap it down like that, all right? So to turn it on, what you're going to do is come to this side, give it a press, and bam, there you go. You are on and ready to do your videotaping. So let me just show you from the back. So when you're in the water, you can see here what's going on, all right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.